Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, LJ Campo Tarot. My name is Lynn. This reading is for Leo for Valentine's weekend. Like, share, and subscribe if it's not already done. Helps my channel grow and you don't miss my next reading. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, North Node, and Venus energy. How are you? Oh, starting this reading for you, poised, 48. Go the distance, 47. Interesting. I literally pick those out of the blue and they follow. Like it. Poised and go the distance. Bit contradicting, but this is 47 and 48. You've went the distance and now it's time to celebrate. Very nice. I like that. Celebration time, taking the time this weekend to indulge perhaps. Angel message for Leo, angel love message for Leo for this Valentine weekend. We have simple act of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. Number 5 and 36. Turn on your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. This is about the energy around you. A bit like the poised position. You've arrived to destination. Now it's time to embrace the moment. Very nice. And maybe a little, what is it? The gilded energy, gilded energy. Okay. Little message for my Leo. Bit lost in the maze. Number 43 adds up to 7. There's something about downloads, a bit like her. You're getting message right now, Leo. Pay attention. $43 is the maze, and there's, it seems the price is that I never saw that before reading this card. I always thought it was lost in their thoughts, but there's a prize there. You're looking at a way to conquer the prize, or vice versa. Somebody's looking at a way to get the prize. You're the prize. We see 3 birds. And over here we got 21, adds up to 3. 7, and we got a little elk here. No mountain too high for this little elk. Okay. Devoted, very devoted here. Okay, energy for my, I think you see them all there. Perfect. Okay, for my Leo. Energy for Leo, what do we got? 7 of Pentacles is the current energy, seeing the potential. A bit like the elk here. Upcoming, your energy actually, in regard of this reading, we got the Hierophant. Hidden opportunity. 5 of Wands. Standing your ground perhaps for some. Perhaps. Advice for my Leo, we got the 9 of Wands. Focus, 2 of Cups. Energy of this reading, Ace of Pentacles. And as an outcome, we need 3 cards for my Leo. We got the Knight of Coins, 7 of Swords. For some of you, it's a bit of a surgery, hospitalization moment here. 3 of Wands, bottom of the deck, we got the 4 of Wands, Death card, 6 of Swords, Hermit, and the Page of Coin. Seeing the path forward, Death card, something needs to end for something, for you to move on. Something's holding you back. 6 of Swords, Death card, 4 of Wands. Not sure if you see all the cards there. There we go. 9 of Wands is the advice. Wounded warrior, a bit, yeah. What advice can this nine of Wands give Leo? 5 and 5, lots of change. The change kind of, I see it, I see the 9 of Wands for you, Leo, a bit like the Strain card, which is your card actually. Yeah, Strain card, just give, like, you've been through a lot, and it was a choice you made. And you're just encouraged to move forward just a little bit further, and you're almost there. 2 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, long-term energy. Outcome, there's a bit of a 7 of Swords. For some of you, might be some healing energy there. I see it more like a hospitalization moment. Not all of you, obviously. But it's like a bit out of the blue. 7 of Swords. It's an in and out. So I don't know who it concerns, but it's an in and out, and you're already 3 of Wands says you're ready for your next, you know, chapter. Yes, hospitalization right here, but it's all good. No worries. 2 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, long-term energy. Something comes to an end that no longer serves you and takes you to the next chapter of your life. 4 of Wands. Hermit, done with it. Yeah, very good, Leo. Wow, I like that. If you needed to hear some positive news about healing, it's all here. This is a good weekend for embracing the next chapter, or at least embarking on the next chapter of your life. So good, love it. All right, Leo, let's clarify, see where it takes you. Leo, what do we got for Leo? Okay, King of Cups, King of Swords. To clarify, the 7 of Pentacles. One more card. Hermit. Lots of kings. Hermit. Healing kings. Interesting. Aquarius, Scorpio, Virgo energy. And here we have the Hierophant, which is Taurus. The establishment, seeing the potential. Poise, go the distance. Poison, go the distance. We said it went the distance, and now it's poise, waiting for something. Here, the 7 of Coins is telling me the potential is between these 2 king and healing. We're mentioning healing over here. The potential of healing an energy, like forgive and move on. Not forget, but just move on. Make it a lesson and get to the next chapter. Death card. 6 of Swords. Yeah, Hermit. There it is, Hermit as well. Hierophant is clarified with the Temperance, Page of Wands, Magician. There's a manifestation, but also brought together. So these 2 kings are brought together. The universe is bringing them together with the Page of Wands here. With 2 cardinal, there's something message from above that's bringing you together. 5 of Wands, Leo energy actually. Why is it here? Queen of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, Knight of Swords coming in real fast. 5 of Wands. 5 is about the change. Soulmate, 6 of Cups. Coming in real fast. Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn energy. So something is bringing you together to this soulmate. 5 of Wands. Interesting. Are you interested in that change? I'm not sure. You seem to be expecting it. The energy around you, turn on your heart light, and simple acts of kindness is all around you. 9 of Wands is clarified with Hangman, Page of Pentacle, 3 of Pentacle, the community. Proposal, offer. Somebody's been waiting for a long time. So between the Hermit and the 9 of Wands, coming together to heal. Somebody's been waiting a long time for that healing energy, that coming together, the potential of moving on to a new chapter. Hangman here with the Hermit is waiting for a long time for this to happen. The community, 2 of Cups, Knight of Sword. Something is coming, something is healing here. So whether it's from operation and hospitalization or healing of the heart, something is being healed. 2 of Cups. Why is it here for my Leo? 3 of Sword. 10 of Cups. Happy family, happy life. With the 3 of Sword, there's something going on. New beginning, Fool. A new beginning? No. Happy family, learning to be happy with what you have? Perhaps. 9 of Pentacles, single. But this is the family card, the 10 of Cups, along with the 10 of Pentacles as well. Ace of Pentacles is a lot like the 10, so it takes 10 to make ones. Some of you are trying to mend an old relationship. You got to the base and now you're waiting the outcome, which is a 3. 48 adds up to 12 and into 3. You're waiting. Ace of Coin is clarified with the World, a new chapter to open up. Page of Cup. Thank you. 6 of Wands. Star, bottom of the deck, healing. Chance of a second chance. Some of you are conquering an old flame. Good for you, if it's what you want. Some of you are healing an operation. Some of you are healing the heart. But the outcome is still out there for you. Knight of Coin, 7 of Sword, and 3 of Wands is clarified with 9 of Pentacles, Queen of Sword, decisive energy, 8 of Wands, and the Hierophant. Chariot, bottom of the deck, Tower, Ace of Wands. Some of you are 7 of Wands, 10 of Wands, burden, fighting it off, passion, Tower, moving on. A new beginning starts abroad or elsewhere, but for some, it's coming back to where you were. Coming back to where you were is up to you, Leo. But the 7 of Wands and 10 of Wands is like a burden. It's still, it might not be your greatest decision. That's all I'm saying. Clarifying this 3 of Wands and 7 of Swords, we got the moving card, 8 of Wands, and the Hierophant. Hierophant is also there. The manifestation is here, the Page of Wands. new beginning, starting. Queen of Swords, decisive energy. Definitely deciding to move on. Eight of Wands, and move into a new, could be work, new location, new surrounding, the community, wherever you're moving. Three of Wands, Eight of Wands, the new community. Some of you from healing, you're moving on to a new community as well. There's many message, Leo, for you here. Wow. Definitely open your heart, because all the message I hear, poise, go the distance. Everything is here for you if you need the answer. From healing to an old flame to a soulmate to moving on to like wherever you stand, whether it's business or a romance, you're looking for an answer. It's in here. Do like, share, and subscribe. And if I can answer any of your question, just write it in the comment box. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next reading.